In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word 2021. Page numbers are a simple way to keep long documents organized, whether you're working on a report, an essay, or a manual. Let's walk through the process clearly, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing it on your own. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word 2021. If it's a document you've been working on, go ahead and save your latest changes so nothing gets lost. With your file open, look to the top of the screen for the ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Word groups tools for adding elements like headers, footers, and page numbers. On the Insert tab, find the Page Number button, usually in the Header and Footer section. Click it, and you'll see a menu with several placement options. Top of page puts the number in the header area, which is great for a clean, professional look. Bottom of page places it in the footer, a very common choice for essays and reports. Page margins places the number in the left or right margin, which can be useful for booklets or layouts with special design needs. Current position inserts the page number right where your cursor is, which is handy if you're already inside a header or footer and want precise control over alignment. After you choose a location, Word shows a gallery of styles. These include centered numbers, left or right alignment, and variations with lines or additional text. Pick the style that matches your document's tone. As soon as you select a style, Word automatically inserts numbers on all pages and keeps them consistent as your document grows. If you ever want to adjust or remove the page numbers, simply double-click the header or footer area to switch into editing mode. From there, you can click the page number to change its alignment, apply a different style, or delete it entirely. When you're done, click Close Header and Footer on the ribbon, or press the ES key to return to your document. That's all it takes. Open your document, go to Insert, choose Page Number, pick the placement, select a style, and let Word handle the numbering. Remember to save your document when you're finished, so your changes stick. With these steps, you'll have clean, consistent page numbers that make your work easier to read and reference.